Stop trying to be happy and start trying to be healthy instead. You can do this by being self-empowered. Tanggalin natin sa goals natin ang pagiging masaya. Wait lang, makinig kayo. Pangarap ko rin dati maging masaya, pero nakaka-stress pala pag ginawa mo siyang goal, imbes na hinahayaan mo siyang dumating naturally. Happiness is a temporary thing, it doesn't last forever, at nakakapagod trying to be happy 24/7 because it's impossible. Yan ang realidad, hindi pelikula ang buhay natin. Ang realidad ay part ng buhay natin ang stress and we have to learn to live with stress. Kaya I don't want to be happy anymore, I want to be healthy. Hindi lang physically pero mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Kasi pag healthy ka, inside and out, bonus na lang ang happiness. Being healthy is all about self-empowerment. Protecting your peace, eliminating the things, habits, and people that drain you, and bringing in the things, habits, and people that uplift you. By focusing on being healthy, magfo-flow na lang naturally ang happiness. Imbes na pinipilit mong gawing goal ito. Pag primary goal mo ang health, nagiging secondary effect na lang ang happiness. At ang maganda, pag priority mo ang health you get more than happiness. You develop stronger values and a stronger character that can overcome the days when you are not happy.